subtitle of the Amara.org community. This machine also has an integrated access point for convenient connectivity and seamless communication. This implies that if we install them, there is a chance that you can make alterations to this machine through a computer, or alternatively, there is an LTE module that enables you to access this machine even via phone and inquire about the stocks or the consumption, the implemented cocktails, regardless of your location in the world. So you can obtain additional details from me at www.der-cocktailmixer.com.